Hello kids! Let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. We are going to write the uppercase N. Start at the top and draw a vertical line. And go back to the top and write a slanted line going to the right and continue going up to the top. Let's continue writing the lowercase n. Begin in the middle line and write a vertical line going down and push up and curve going to the right to make one hump. Amazing! You are getting better with each try. Keep on practicing. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!